Alright guys, I welcome you on to this video where I'll be showing you how to design a perfect Kindle book cover for your ebook. You can use this approach to design any kind of cover. I just want to show the concepts behind this book design, the concepts in which I used to have this design done in a professional way. Let me show you the process in which I adopted. The first thing is that I make use of a gradient of three colors in which I apply a fill of black on it. From there, I choose it. I use a soft light mode as a blending mode. I have the text here in which I make use of block scripts as a text name in which I apply orange layer effects on the text. This is the title here without any special effects, just the color of the main title. And this is the title in which I use a font called Airway Personal. And this is the image on the book cover in which I marked the image to remove the hands that came along with this uh, image. Let me show you the step by step required to have this kind of book cover design. The first thing is that you know the accepted size for ebook cover is 6 by 9. Have your canvas a 6 by 9 and 300 resolution as the pixel. Okay, now come down to your adjustment layer here. Choose gradient. We have different gradients, and let me choose three color like the one I have here. Now double click on the color here and change this one to something brownish color like the one I will have here. As you can see, click on OK. The one at the middle here, give it something that look like brown, but just make it to be faint here. As you can see now, the last one here, choose something like a milky color. As you can see here, just click on OK. From there, click on change the style to right there and click on reverse. Boom, we have a perfect glowing effect as the base color. Click on OK. Now click on this adjustment layer. Sorry, click on create a new layer. Click on the adjustment layer here and give it color, solid color, black color. Now click on OK. On this color now, change the blending mode from normal to soft light. Boom, as you can see, the glowing effect is too much. You can go back to your gradient effect and double click on it and click on the color here. The one at the middle here, you can make it something lighter, as you can see, so that look professional. So much. See the base color level. Okay, here. Change this one to the light side a little bit. This one set it to 153. Okay. This one make it light side a little bit. Now, boom, I think we have a perfect glowing effect. Now, this is the best color. Now, the next thing is for you to click on your text. Now, the name of the book's name is The Effective Change. Double click and center the text to the middle. Okay. Now change the this the book name now, move it so the up so that it will be on top of the black and white effects. Now change it to 63, the font size. Now we have this as 63 now. Don't forget we make use of Broke. Change the font name sorry to Broke scripts. That's the font name that we are using. Broke script. Now on the font now, just come to this where you have this FX tool, which is layer mask. Give it a drop shadow. Now this is the drop shadow on the stroke. Okay, let's give it a stroke of 1. I think we have a perfect stroke. And likewise, let's give it a gradient overlay. Double click on gradient overlay. I think we have a perfect one. Let me show you the grid that we okay. We have black here, something make here, and another one that make here, and that one that is what make here is okay. Just click on okay. Okay. Now we have 3 effects here. Okay, so let's make it emboss. Just click on bevel and emboss here so that we look like 3D effects. Now as you can see now, it's look okay now, professional. That is the main title. Let's write for the subtitle in which we are going to make use of a sincere font. Now let me change the font to sincere. So sincere font. Okay, regular sincere font. Okay, now 66 11. That's a Greek, sorry, philosophy. That change my life for better. Okay, now let me try to make it in 3 portion. Don't mind the subtitles. I just use this thing as an example for you can give it any subtitle you want, just to show you how this thing is being designed. Okay, center your okay, let's increase this size here. If you want to know the color in which we use, just come down to color here. This is the color code E8A973. That's the color code we use. Okay. Now the next thing is for us to have the author's name, which is Michael James as the author's name. We make use of airway font airway personal fonts. That's the font in which we use. Just click on OK. Let's increase the font size to 30. Center it to this canvas. Okay, now this is the font in which we use. We have everything designed perfect. So the next thing is for us to have our image here. This is the image in which I use. I use this image here. Okay, let me open the image. Okay, this is the image I use. I got this image online and I removed the background using remove.bg, in which I have this as the removed background image. Now drag it to where we have. Let's increase the size of the image. Okay, the image size has been increased. Now we need to remove these two fingers here. For you to remove these two fingers, we have to make sure of removing it. It's either you use eraser tools, but it won't look perfect. That's why we adopted by maxing the image first and change the fill this foreground color to black and go on brush and erase this hand so that it will look professional. Okay. Okay, perfect. Now we need this image to blend along with the color. Just come to the blending tools here and change it to layer overlay or any blending mode that fits into the design which you want to do. This is how to have. Okay, let's change this color of this base and the author's name so that it look unique and stand out from the other. This is how you have a perfect design. Okay, we are done with this design now. This is the one which I designed before, and this is the one we came along when we designed from scratch. If you are new to this channel, please click on subscribe button, like this video and share this video to your friends. I'll be expecting your comments in the comment section, and I want you to try out this design so that I can know how this you can know how the design is being done, and I'll be expecting your comments at the comment section. If you have any suggestion about the next work in which you want design which you want to work on, I'll be expecting it at the comment section. See you on the next video. Bye for now.